Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be performing an oil change on a 2015 Subaru Forester. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to pop the hood, just grab under here, pull that handle, then there's a release under here, push it to the left. There's a drain plug right there. It is 14 millimeter. We're going to use a 14 millimeter wrench. I'm going to loosen it up. Take the drain plug out. You're going to want to make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. We spilt a lot of fluid when we pulled that out. I didn't realize how short the drain plug was. Okay, so now that our oil's drained out, it's a good idea to get a new seal for the drain plug. Put that on, install that. We'll take our 14 millimeter wrench and just snug it up. Just tighten it a little bit. You don't want to over tighten it. So we're going to drop the vehicle down, and then this is the filter right here. You're going to take a rag and just clean up this area around here. You don't want any of that dirt or dust to get down in there. So do that. And then to take it off, if you have a strap wrench that will fit, you can use a strap wrench. This one's a little big, so we won't use that. We have a filter cup. Sometimes these work a little bit better. So we'll push that down there, then take a ratchet. Take this off. Once you break it free, then we can take the ratchet off, pull the filter out. I'm going to use my rag and catch the filter so oil doesn't go all over the place. And because we drained the oil, I think the oil went down, so it's no big deal. So before I put the new filter on, I'll just wipe this area and make sure I don't get any dirt in there. All right, before I put my filter on, I'm going to take a little bit of the new oil, just put it on my finger and rub around on this seal. This will help it seal better, and when you go to take it off next time, it'll be easier to come off. So you can slide that on and just tighten this down pretty much as tight as you can get with just your hand, and that is good. Now we're going to add our engine oil. The oil fill cap is right here. It's a little tight. We're going to turn it to the left and then put our funnel in. This vehicle requires 5.1 quarts of oil. We're putting in 5W30 synthetic oil. I'll grab a rag, put it at the bottom of the funnel so we can pull it out without dripping all over the place. And take the oil fill cap, line that up, and then twist it on. And just snug it up. You don't have to tighten it too much. At this point, we're going to start the vehicle. Let it run for about 20 seconds. And then we'll shut it off. All right, so after we let the engine run for a little bit, then we're going to check the oil level with the engine off. Pull the dipstick out. I'm just going to wipe it first. We'll reinsert the dipstick. So as you can see, The oil level looks like it's at this little dot on the bottom. Should be in between both of those dots. So it looks like we're gonna have to add some more oil. In the manual it said this vehicle required 5.1 quarts of oil, but it looks like it takes more like 5.5. So we'll add some more oil. All right, so I'm gonna add about half a quart of oil. A little bit more. All right, we'll check this level again. Pull it out. And that is exactly where the oil level should be. About 3/4 in between the two holes. So we now know our oil level is good. Put the cap back on. So this vehicle required about 5 3/4 quarts of oil.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.